Ever wondered how some people turn ugly houses into gold mines? In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how I bought, renovated, and sold a property in Austin, Texas for a profit of over $80,000. Let's dive right in. The deal started with a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in Austin. It was listed at $215,000, but I negotiated it down to $210,000. It needed work, an old kitchen, worn-out floors, and zero curb appeal. But nearby homes were selling for $340,000 to $360,000 after renovations. That's when I knew this was an opportunity I couldn't miss. My budget was tight, just $45,000. The focus was the kitchen, floors, paint, and landscaping. I skipped fancy extras like high-end appliances and instead went for clean, modern, and cost-effective updates. I hired a local crew, and we broke the project into 4 phases to stay organized. First week, demolition. We ripped out old cabinets, flooring, and fixtures. Week 2, plumbing and electrical upgrades. Then came flooring, painting, and installing new kitchen cabinets. The biggest transformation? Curb appeal. A fresh coat of paint and new grass made all the difference. The entire reno took just under 6 weeks. Once the house was ready, we staged it with rental furniture and had a local photographer shoot the listing. We listed it at $359,000. Within 3 days, we got a full price offer. No contingencies. The buyer loved the modern finishes and clean design. We closed in under 21 days. Here's the final math. Purchase, $210,000. Renovation, $45,000. Closing and miss costs, $8,000. Total investment, $263,000. Sold for $359,000 profit. Over $80,000 all in under 2 months. Lesson 1. Know your market. Austin's real estate is competitive, but demand is strong. Lesson 2. Don't over-improve. Fix what matters, skip what doesn't. And lesson 3. Time is money. Every week your house sits, you lose profit. Would you do a flip like this? Comment below what city you'd invest in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more real estate tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.